Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Discord experience and stop those push notification activity alerts from a specific server, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to easily disable these notifications, so you can enjoy a more peaceful and focused time on Discord. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. Now, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Tap on Notifications to enter the notification settings for your account. Inside the Notifications section, you'll see a variety of options for customizing how and when you receive alerts. What we're focusing on today is under the Community Activity Alerts category. This is where Discord groups all the notifications related to server activity, including those push notifications that can sometimes get a little overwhelming. Now, under Community Activity Alerts, you'll notice a list of servers where you're receiving these push notifications. Find the specific server that's been sending you too many alerts. Next to that server's name, you'll see a toggle switch for push notifications. Simply tap the toggle to turn off push notifications for that server. You'll know it's off when the switch changes color or moves to the left, depending on your device. That's it. You've successfully disabled push notification activity alerts for that specific server. You'll still be able to participate and stay updated on your terms, without your phone buzzing every time there's a new activity. If you ever change your mind, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch back on. Customizing your notifications helps you stay connected without feeling overwhelmed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. See you in the next video.